Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily fix this error. Here you can see it when printer is not answering. So just go to search tab and just write in search tab printers. So here you will see printers and scanners, so just open it. Here you can see to my printers, so just click on delete device. Click yes, and delete second device, just click yes. So now just replug in your USB of your printer, so just take it and plug in again. So now you just need to restart your computer and reinstall your drivers. It will automatically detect new printer and just reinstall new drivers on your computer. So just restart your computer and it will reinstall your drivers. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like and goodbye.